folks, and welcome back to my channel, the Scottish Model Railway Guy. Today's task is going to be this Metcalfe low relief terrace shopfront stone build. It's going to bring it up here so you can see it's P0307. Bring it up a bit closer, we can see the style of the shops, and I think it will finish off the wee corner at the back just nicely. Incidentally, what did you think of the new intro? I spent a little bit of time doing some stop motion on it, and I hope it was okay. I'd like to hear comments on that. But for now, if you've never built Metcalfe stuff, now's a good time to learn. It doesn't take much. You need a craft knife, maybe a pair of tweezers, maybe, and you need some high-tack glue. Some glue that sets reasonably quickly. Now there's rocket glue out there that some people use to build it. I probably should, but I've never got round to buying some, so I've always just used this stuff that was £2 I think that is, for that bottle, but it lasts a wee while. So anyway, we're going to move on to the hyperlapse of me building this. Should take maybe a minute or so on hyperlapse, but you'll see it coming together real quick, and then we'll jump to the layout to see what it looks like. So hang on to the end and you shall see that. Thanks again folks, and remember, if you choose, please do subscribe while you're watching the hyperlapse. Thank you. And this is where we've got to. What do you think? I'm just going to pan back a wee fraction, and you can see the two buildings that I've put together, which are here and over here. And I gave some consideration about what to do with the buildings round about it. So you can see now I've got the bus emerging over there, and a van for deliveries to the fairly new industrial zone there, which goes further down to the right hand side. I think it's all coming together. I'm going to shift the train out the road so you can see what's going on. You can see the details you get from Metcalfe there. We've got a billboard, and you can see the details you're getting up there. There's a convenience store, a quick chip shop, you name it. There's all sorts in there. For me, the Metcalfe stuff, fantastic. It sort of stands out in quality against the other ones. Yes, I could go further. I could be painting in all the edges so that there's no white edges round about, and the experts will do that, but that's a future project for me, so I've not glued them down. I've not put lights in yet, and I'll probably put those finishing touches on it. But yeah, for me that is success. I'd be interested to hear your comments on how this looks for you. For me, I am happy. Please do give some consideration to subscribing before you go. There's more and more stuff like this coming all the time, so I appreciate your support. Thank you folks, and see you again.